Hi, and welcome to Blossom Your Creativity. I am happy to have you join me today. I'm just putting up a cute little video for upcoming Easter, and I just wanted to share some DIYs and some decorating hints that I have for you. I have been busy lately creating all kinds of goodies, and here are some links to some of past videos, and I'm just showing you a collaboration of some of my items that I created in my little cozy corner here. So I hope you enjoy, and after watching the video, if you like what you see, please give me a big thumbs up, give me a comment of what you liked, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider. I'd love to have you part of my YouTube family. So I'm going to leave you to music and the video, and you have a great day and spend lots of time with your family on tomorrow's holiday. Bye-bye now.